So some people say, what do you do for a living? And I always like to be able to answer, well, I'm an electrician. I was actually an EMT years and years ago, and I was working at a convalescent home, and I bumped into an electrician, and he had wires hanging out of the ceiling, and he was just kind of going crazy. And I asked him, I said, how do you know what you're doing? And he says, the same way you know what you're doing. You know, you just go to school and you learn it. I changed gears overnight, and I started going to technical school in New Britain. A couple classes here, a couple classes there, and 4 years later, you get your license. Residentially, we do anything from wiring single pole switches, 3-ways, 4-ways. We'll design kitchens, we'll set up bedrooms, we'll install electrical services. We install transfer switches for generators. We make them wire panels, not just once, not twice, not 3 times, multiple times, because panels have to be really neat. Industrial, we have another lab in this campus, and it's called our Motor Control PLC, Programmable Logic Controller courses. It's a whole term where they learn complicated electrical circuits, where we first start off wiring with relays. They learn ladder logic, and we build on ladder logic into programming on a laptop, and then that programming circuit then gets wired into a simulator, and then they can see how a sequence of operations of a piece of equipment would work from beginning to end. So it's fairly in-depth, fairly complicated. But then we also do things like run MC cable for commercial buildings. We do a lot of conduit installs. We have that all over this campus here. It's a bit of art to be able to do that. And I put an emphasis on quality and speed as well. But I think more than anything, most people don't know exactly what we truly know and what we truly do. And that's the reward of being an electrician.